Presenting Dell 15 laptop. It runs on Windows 10 operating system and weighs 1.8 kilograms. The laptop is powered by 11th generation Intel Core i5-1135G7 processor with 8 MB cache and up to 4.2 GHz of speed. The Microsoft Office Home and Student 2019 is included in this laptop. The 8 GB DDR4 2666 MHz RAM with Intel Iris Xe graphics ensures a smooth performance. The 256 GB M.2 PCIe NVMe solid-state drive ensures that you can store all your music, pictures and videos worry-free. The laptop has 3 lithium-ion batteries. The 15.6-inch Full HD 1920 by 1080 pixels resolution, anti-glare, LED backlight, non-touch, narrow border, WVA display provides an immersive viewing experience. This laptop comes with 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports, 1 USB 2.0 port, HDMI 1.4 port, SD card reader and audio jack for easy connectivity. Inside the box you will find the laptop, battery, AC adapter, user guide and manuals. This laptop comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.